going to immigration. Kabahan na Kirsch. So, this is our first time international travel. Ay, ako pala. First time kong pupunta sa ibang bansa. Okay, let's go. Kaya natin to. Okay, nakalagpas na kami sa immigration. So, let's go, Bali! So, we're looking for food or restaurant that we can eat and settle down kasi 3 a.m. pa yung boarding namin. Alas 12 pa lang as of this month. So, let's go, Bali! Bali, Indonesia. I'm coming for you. Emergency opening. Para makakuan. We're going to GWK. Mag-walking kami, makikipag-join kami ng fitness area. Yesterday was a leg day and today is cardio. So, I think that was great. Anyway, this is the park. Wow naman. Para bang, dami nagja-jogging dito, guys.